Hello kids, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 9, Degrees of Comparison. What is degrees of comparison? When we wish to compare things with the help of adjectives, we use degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree, comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. So we understand in depth positive degree. The positive degree is used to describe people, places, animals, or any things. For example, Madhu is smart. Here smart shows positive degree. Tanmay is hungry. Here hungry shows positive degree. Second one is comparative degree. The comparative degree is used to compare two persons, places, animals, or any things. As we know, as we can see, comparative degree. In the name, comparison word is there. So we can understand this degree is used for comparison between two persons, two people, means two places, two animals or two things. We use than after the comparative adjectives. For example, Maria is younger than her brother. Here younger shows comparative degree and than is used to compare between Maria and Maria's brother. Than is used to comparison between Maria and Maria's brother. The book is more interesting than the magazine. Here more interesting is shows comparative degree and the word than shows comparison between book and magazine. Third is superlative degree. The superlative degree is used to compare three or more persons, places, animals or any things. This is the smallest butterfly I have ever seen. Smallest. Smallest shows superlative degree. The fox was the most cunning animal in the forest. Most cunning shows superlative degree. The comparative and superlative forms of words can be written in different ways, which we will see now. By adding er and est. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive shows simple form of any adjective. And comparative shows comparison between two things, two people, two animals, etc. And superlative shows comparison between more than three or three. Small is form of positive, smaller is form of comparative, and smallest is form of superlative. High is positive, higher is form of comparative, and highest is the form of superlative. The 3 degrees by adding er and est. Er for comparative, est for superlative. Now by adding r and st. Vice is the form of positive, vicer is the form of comparative, and vicest is form of superlative. Fine is positive. Finer shows comparative. Finest superlative. R is for comparative and ST is for superlative. Next is by removing Y and adding IER and IEST. Lazy is positive form. Lazier IER, which is comparative form. Laziest is superlative form. Happy is positive form. Happier is comparative form. And happiest is superlative form. We have to remove Y from the positive means normal adjective and have to add IER for comparative and IEST for superlative. Next is by doubling the final consonants and adding ER and EST. Big is normal adjective which shows positive. Bigger, as you can see, BIGGER. BIG, big, is normal adjective. Double GER is comparative. And double GEST, biggest, is superlative. Thin is adjective, positive. Thinner is comparative. Thinnest is superlative. As you can see, we have to doubling the final consonant like G, BIG, big, and in G, and thin we doubling the N. Next is by using more and most. Careful is adjective which shows positive degree. More careful shows comparative degree and most careful shows superlative degree. Proper adjective shows positive degree. More proper shows comparative degree and most proper shows superlative degree. Next is irregular comparisons. Means here all the forms are different. Positive form, comparative form and superlative form. Positive, good or well, both are same with meaning. Comparative is better and superlative is best. Evil, bad, ill. These three words are same in their meaning. Worse shows comparative degree. Worst shows superlative degree. So let's start your text and fair exercise so you can understand this concept very easily. Exercise A and C you can do very easily with the help of the tables which you can see in the textbook lesson number 9. So here we start with the exercise number B. Complete these sentences with the correct degrees of comparison of the words given in the brackets. First is Vanya is blank than Veronica. Here you can see word than shows comparative degree. So we have to put comparative form of the given adjective old. So the answer is older. Vanya is older than Veronica. Second one is Vijay is a blank boy. Here you can see it is form of positive degree. So we will put positive form of mischievous. So answer is as it is. Vijay is a mischievous boy. Third one is Jyoti has blank apples than Suman. Answer is more. Jyoti has more apples than Suman. It shows superlative degree. Next exercise is fair exercise. Complete the sentences in each set. Use the other 2 degrees of the adjectives. Question given in 1 degree means positive degree. We have to convert it into comparative degree and superlative degree. Question 1 is, the lion is a tall animal. Answer is, the elephant is taller than the lion. The elephant is taller than the lion. It shows comparative degree, taller than. The giraffe is the tallest of all. Tallest shows superlative degree. Second one is, the guava is a large fruit. The apple is larger than the guava. Here, larger than, it shows comparative degree. The watermelon is the largest of all. Here, largest shows superlative degree. Next one is, choose the correct option for each of the following. Here you can see 3 options in the bracket. We have to select, means we have to underline the correct option. First one is, Preeti is famouser, more famous, most famous than her elder brother. Answer is more famous, which shows superlative degree. Second one is, February is shorter than, the shortest of, most short of all the months. Answer is the shortest of, which shows superlative degree. Next one is, Ashu is a smart, smarter, smartest boy. Answer is smart. So smart shows positive degree. Like this way, you have to complete all your text and fair exercise. Thank you.